everyone, welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you're joining me for the first time. My name's Tara and I do makeup tutorials, makeup collaborations and all that jazz here on my channel. So guys, I have been kind of gifted some makeup brushes from this company I will put on screen because, as we all know, I'm not the greatest at pronouncing names, so I will pop the company on screen for you guys. So basically this company reached out to me and asked me if I would do a little review on their makeup brushes, and of course I said yes, because as you can tell in the background, I'm a little bit obsessed with makeup brushes and I'm always on the hunt for some new ones, especially affordable ones. I'm gonna jump straight into it, and this is the makeup brush set that they sent me. And on first impressions, I absolutely love this bag. It is super easy to travel with. You can just chuck that in your suitcase. I mean, we're not going anywhere at the moment, but you could chuck this in your suitcase if you're going round to your boyfriend's. You could chuck it in, and it's a really good size bag. In this bag, 15 brushes. So I'm going to take them out first of all. The packaging on these brushes are super adorable. So on first impressions, it is super soft, which I love in a brush. There's no shedding. They seem really, really good. I have bought brushes off eBay before or Amazon and they've been absolutely useless, but these seem really, really nice. I'm loving the pink marble. That is super, super gorgeous. I'd say these brushes are like a beginner friendly. They're super affordable, and I will link all where you can get these products from. They are from Amazon, so I will link the links on where you can purchase these brushes. I also have a 15% discount code with these brushes as well. So I will pop on screen my discount code if you'd like to get a further 15% off. I mean, these brushes are affordable anyway. First brush is like this powdery brush, so I'll probably put like under eye powder on with this brush. I have already put my foundation and brows on because it does have a foundation brush, which is this flat brush. I don't tend to put foundation on with these brushes, but they are fabulous. It is super, super soft. And I will put like concealer under my eyes with this. So it is a really, really lovely brush. But like I say, I'm a beauty blender girl. But sometimes I do use these brushes if I'm putting like concealer or things like that. So that is handy. That I can see is this absolutely gorgeous fan brush. This brush I would put on like my highlight or contour. Normally I'd just put a bit of highlight on with this. So we will probably put this to the test and use it for my highlights. Face brush is this big like foam brush. I will probably put like blusher on with this brush. It seems really dense and compact, but like I say, there is absolutely no shedding, which I absolutely love in a brush. If a brush is going to shed all over me, I can't stand it. So my first impressions is that I can't see these brushes shedding. And like I say, the design of the brush is super cute, perfect for beginners. A contour, so it's like really flat but compacted as well. I'm no makeup artist, so I love good brushes. So this is like a flat brush basically, but it's really, really compact. So you can do your contouring using this brush. This is like a silicone brush. I've never really used a silicone brush, but I've seen quite a lot of people use them for like face masks and stuff. So, I mean, it seems pretty flexible. So I probably use this for like a face mask or something. So in this pack you get 6 face brushes, which are really, really good. And they're all really stunning. And I love the pink and I love the design. The design is so good. So yeah, you get 6 face brushes. So So you get this brush as well, which I think is when you just brush through your lashes. So I think that's what that brush is for. So the blending brush looks like this. It is super, super soft, perfect for doing your blending. I will be doing a demonstration with these brushes. So this is the perfect blending brush. It is super, super compact, and like I say, there is I'm pulling at this brush and there is no shedding whatsoever. Use this brush for concealer. It is super, super thin and flat, which is what you need when you put in concealer. So if I was like cutting the crease or something, I would definitely use this brush. So you also have a spoolie to brush through your brows. Another packing on brush. So this is where you'd probably pack like the darker colour on the outer corners. You have a little pencil brush which looks like that. So it's a pointed pencil brush, so you could put like your inner corner highlight. This brush would be absolutely perfect for that, or just under the brow bone. That's what I use these kinds of brushes for. You then have an angled brush. I've been using these angled brushes for like putting some shadow and making like a wing. So you could probably use that for that, or you could, even if you use a pomade, you could use it for eyebrow pomade. These kinds of little brushes, these would be ideal for like the under eye. And then we have two of these little brushes, these little flat brushes. These would be ideal to like if you was doing more detailed cut crease and things like that. And then they also popped in this little face razor. I absolutely love a face razor. So yeah, I don't know if this comes in the pack. I'm not 100% sure, but this was in mine, so I don't know if it was like a little bit of a freebie. So I don't know if it actually comes in this kit, but I love using these face razors because I get a little fluff around the moustache and a little peach fuzz around the sides of my face. So you have 10 eye brushes. So those are all the brushes in that little wallet. And now I'm just going to do a little bit of a demonstration to show you guys how I would use these gorgeous brushes. So I'm just going to pop on some bronzer, and I'm going to use this flat brush. Using this brush for my bronzer, it is super, super soft. And it doesn't shed at all, which is perfect because you don't want any shedding brushes on your face. So yeah, I would definitely recommend these brushes so far. So to apply my blush, I'm going to use this big fluffy brush. So I'm just going to swirl it in my blush and just apply a little bit of blusher onto the cheeks. Again, this brush is super, super soft, feels really lovely on the skin. I would definitely say these brushes are beginner friendly. So if you are looking for a good brush set, then I will link all the details down below on where to pick these brushes up. I'm going to apply some highlight using the fan brush, and I'm just going to pop some of the blush on and pop that onto my face. Again, this brush feels super nice on the skin, and these brushes are super affordable, guys, so affordable. To be honest, I quite like buying my brushes off Amazon. I buy quite a lot of brushes off Amazon. I have some in my collection. And they're really reasonable. They're so reasonable. And I started off with Amazon brushes, to be quite honest, because they are affordable and they're really good. You can find some really good gems, and I think these are going to become some of my favourite brushes. So now I'm going to just apply a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm first going to be using the big fluffy blending brush. It applies so beautifully. It feels super soft on the eyes, which I'm absolutely loving. Nobody likes it when you get a brush that's literally scratching your eyes. These are super, super soft, and I'm not just saying that because the brand has obviously kindly gifted me these brushes. These are completely genuine thoughts and first impressions on these brushes, and so far they seem really, really nice. Like I say, I don't know what they'll be like once I've washed them. Other brushes that I've had off Amazon that I've washed have been perfectly fine, so I'm sure these will as well. I'm going to use this flat brush and just pop a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to use the angled brush to do what I like is a little bit of eyeshadow liner. And this works perfectly well. So nice. So my final thoughts on these brushes are they are 1, affordable, 2, definitely beginner friendly, and 3, they are ideal for travelling with. So they come in this little pouch, which is absolutely ideal just to chuck either in your handbag if you're going on a girls' night out, which we're not doing at the moment, but it will come back. And if you're going to your boyfriend, if you're going on a quick holiday, these are ideal just to chuck into your luggage. So yeah, these brushes are super soft, they do not shed. They're literally my honest thoughts on these brushes. They're super affordable, super friendly, for beginner friendly. So I will put up my discount code for you guys to get further 15% off when you get to checkout. And I will put all the information about these brushes down below if you'd like to go and check them out. But yeah, I'm absolutely super happy. Some of these brushes will definitely become some of my favourites. So guys, if you've enjoyed this little short video, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, you know what to do. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Love you all. Bye.